each other. But Russia's anti-drone drones, not quite what you think. They got interceptor stuff, sure, like mobile air defenses jamming. Even some UAVs rigged to hunt incoming ones. But nothing fancy like upgrades cheap. Swarming killer drones that take out shotheads. They all more old school Panzer systems. S-400s blasting away.